Yeah, good day to you all, my viewers, my listeners. You are welcome to Mikey's FX Academy. I just want to bring this short video to your notice, and we are doing it live and direct. This is the Forex market, Euro USD currency pairs. I just want to encourage us, those of us who are, you know, those of you, my listeners, my viewers. It's been a while. I've been into synthetic indices and kind of take a short break, you know, to look deeply into the forex market and see which one I can actually, hold on to. Though I started with the synthetic indices, and it has been, it has not been as I thought it was until I got into um major currency pairs. Now we're looking at Euro USD. I would advise, if you are a forex trader, if you know how to trade the forex market, stick to a pair. If you can stick to a pair, um, you'll be able to get it right. Now, if you look at the general trend here, go to the daily, and we'll see what is happening on the daily time frame. This is what we have on the daily time frame. If you look at the general trend of the daily time frame, price is bullish. It's bullish. Is just going back and forth. And if you look at its current um position here, price has been consolidating for a while now. This is daily. We have 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4 days now. Now price has been consolidating after this pullback. We have this up thrust, then this pullback. Then what is happening here now? We're actually having a consolidation period. Price is actually consolidating, and what we are looking at, if price happens to break this level, what we should be looking at is upward movement continuation, that is bullish continuation. So what we're actually looking at is we're looking at price breaking this level, but currently what we are having is consolidation. We're actually having consolidation period. Why is this consolidation? If you look at the current happening within the world, dollar is actually having issue. Most of these countries are actually switching, their trade from dollar to a local currency, like the China, Saudi Arabia. They now buy oil and other commodities using the Chinese yuan and other currencies within the countries. They've dumped the US dollar, so the US dollar is trying to rally to see if it can hold. Before now, the American dollar has been a very strong currency that has been holding the world's trade, as in that has been used like in trading. But currently, what is happening now? So many countries are backing out of doing things with the US dollars, and that is what is actually affecting the current condition of the American dollar. So what we are actually seeing now is, dollar is trying to hold. If the dollar holds, then the euro will fall. But if it doesn't hold, the euro will keep rising, and that's what we're actually having now. It's still consolidating. There's been meeting, talk here and there, and that is what's actually happening. If you know how to trade the currency pairs, and you know how to utilize the fundamental news, know how to do fundamental analysis aside the technical analysis. Technical analysis is just technical analysis is just um, drawing support, knowing your support and resistance, knowing your trend lines, knowing the change of character, other blocks, break even, and the likes. If you know how to do this without the fundamental analysis, you will not get it right. You understand? So this is looking at the forex market from the higher time frame. The best time frame to trade the forex market is when you are trading from the 4 hours time frame, and this is what we have on the 4 hours. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, we are having something like this is symmetrical triangle. We have something like this. Price is actually doing something like this, a flag pattern. There's a pattern that is actually, let me take it off. What we're actually having now, price is actually going this way. You understand? So, and immediately there's a break of structure to the downside, you get a strong fall of price, which is not likely, is not going to happen. But if price breaks out of this, we are going to see a strong, bullish trend, which we are actually looking up to. That price is going to go bullish. Looking at it from the RSI, RSI is already at the level 50. That is why we are having this consolidation. It's not going up, it's not coming down. It's just in one place because of the current events, world events affecting the fundamental aspect of the forex market. Okay, now looking at it from the lower time frame, if you look at the market from the lower time frame, let's look at it from the lower time frame. If you look at the market from the lower time frame, you can actually see, clear, and it's so bold. This is what we're having on the lower time frame. I actually have some indicators, that I actually work with. They are not sold indicators. These are free indicators, and they are not like the ones we see on MT5 or MT4. These ones are very active because they work with network, like with the internet, so they are very smart and swift when you are trading with them. Now we are looking at price pushing to the upside. We're looking at price breaking this level, coming to this is an order block. When price gets here, there will be a reaction and price will fall down to retest this zone, then price continuation. If it doesn't go there, get there, and we also look at um, the far left and see if there's any other place that price can react, which is, and we're looking at the strong resistance zone. And if you can see, as you can see, um, this is currently what we are looking at. When price get to this region, we are expecting a reaction. Actually expecting a reaction. So let's see how it goes. This is live happening. This is currently happening in the forex market. This is what is happening in the forex market. Now let's dive deep into the lower time frame, and we can actually have a clearer picture. Look at it. This is also another block on the lower time frame, but it has been mitigated. You understand? It has been mitigated. Other block, just you only use it once. Once it is used, it is no longer valid. So we are expecting price to pull through, to break through, to go above this other block. This is the 15 minutes order block. You just get a little reaction, but price is going to go above it, and once it goes above it, we are expecting price to push further into the upside, because the general trend of the market is an up trend. We are expecting is a bullish movement. Is a bullish movement. So price will continue to move to the upside. Price will continue to move to the upside. For those of us trading the forex market, price will continue to move to the upside. I just want to pinpoint this. Um, if you are a day trader, intraday trader, see what price did here. Look at what price did here. So many people don't understand order block. When there is an order block like this, you understand, we have order block. When you're using this software that I'm using now, we have, this is one, this is two, and this is three. Where some people will look at it like the nearest order block is where price will react, not knowing the next one, which is after the first, the one nearest to price. The next one nearest to price um, will actually be what where price will be looking at, because this zone is like price will just want to liquidate traders. So many traders who want to enter here, so many buy traders who want to enter here, place their stop loss below this other block, not knowing price will come down here to liquidate traders and continue moving to the upside. Moving to the upside. So this is exactly what price actually did. What we see here now is called liquidation. I will explain that later. So many of us don't actually understand liquidation, but liquidation is just a way of price taking away your stop loss, closing some early, there are traders who think price may not go below this other block. Price will not go below this other block or this level. Not many price will come down to test this other block. which is the second order block here before continuation. What we're actually looking at now is for price to break this level. But general trend, like I said from the beginning, general trend on the daily time frame, if you look at it well, is consolidating. Our main focus is for price to break, for price to break this zone. If price break this zone, if the price break this zone, if there's a break of this level, we should expect a strong bullish continuation. But currently, this is what we are having. You see, price is actually moving, in this direction. Price is actually doing this movement, and with this, we are actually, we are still behind. Like looking at price to break to the upside, mm, which is currently not happening. You know, most times this can actually happen if there's a strong news. The news will just come and push out of the consolidation zone. So we're actually looking at the price. We're actually looking at price to break through. You know, if you look at the number of days, like I said, price there was a pullback from the main direction, and price tried to go up. If you look at what happened, this is if we are to draw support and resistance. This is a strong zone where we have reactions before. Look at reactions. Let me take this off. Okay, let me draw it now. Look at this is a zone. This is a zone. Look at what we have reaction. Price reacted here. Price broke through with this big candle and went up and did a pullback to this zone. There was a reaction here. Price finally came down. And what happened? Look at day one, day two, day three, day four. 4 days of price going back and forth in one place, looking to break to the upside, which has not you know happened yet. So we're actually looking at a strong fundamental news that will do that, which um which has not happened yet. Look at the opening and the close of the candles, they are all in line. Now looking at price on the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, it is still very it's still consolidating. The consolidation is still very strong. We're actually looking at price to break through, but it has not done that yet. So guys, if you are new to this channel, I will encourage you to keep watching Mikey's FX Academy. Keep looking out for new and the latest videos. I'll be dropping videos one after the other on the latest happening on the forex market and the major currency you can be trading daily. We can be dropping daily analysis, daily charts, daily analysis, and trend direction, even fundamental news that can actually go in your direction. I will drop them here so that you have a clear picture of the forex market, so that you can actually trade and make profits. You understand? So please give a thumb up if this video is of a great value to you. You can like this video, share it among your friends, among your peers, among your colleagues, and look forward for my next video, because it will be so loud. I'll be dropping videos that are very productive, that are useful, that will bring more profits to you in the forex market. I'll see you in the next video. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.